Hello guys. What an intro. Lol. There. Hello guys. Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today got another Unmatched Air Traffic Control episode, and one of the first things you might not notice is I've got detailed aircraft. Woohoo! So I'm pretty sure they're a bit more expensive. I've had to completely buy all some new ones. Secretly off camera I've been doing this, so last episode they were all default aircraft. But since last episode off camera I've been saving up my money, not in-game money obviously, and buying detailed aircraft. And they do look really good compared to default aircraft. Detailed ones, lit. Obviously, you've got more variants. Now there's A320neos, A321neos. You know, there's no A330s or A340s or A350s yet. That's not to say it will come in the future. I don't know. I haven't got all my liveries yet. I'm still missing a few. Ones I would like to get. I'd like to get a few more 747s. At the minute, I've only got Cathay Pacific and Qantas. I'm also hoping to get a Qantas Freight 767-300F and a Southern Air or DHL 767-300F. Probably a few more A380s. I've only got one more gate to get. That will be in the next episode. I'll be getting that. One more. And then I'll be able to start saving up my dollars for the realistic airport. Can't remember what it's called. It's $80,000. So it's really expensive. Really expensive. Yeah. Obviously, gotta save up your dollars. That'll probably take me about a week. I don't know if I'll do it on like 3 episodes. I probably will over 1 or 2 episodes, but I'll do a lot of it off camera. So, but I will do an episode when I get it. That'll be, to me, really exciting. It will be a time lapse, of course. I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, and just show you around the airport in general. So yeah, that's all. Oh, this series, best series ever. So many views. Yeah, basically just unreal. 17 subscribers. We've got another subscriber. Shout out to the 17th subscriber. Shout out to Fabian Flug. He's my 17th subscriber. And shout out to Hick Aviation for his contribution to my videos. He's well, he hasn't really contributed to my videos, but he has been watching my channel longer than basically anyone, except for, of course, myself. So, yeah, big shout out to him. Everyone, all of my viewers as well, thank you a lot. I think in total, episode 1 and 2 have had about 110 views, probably, in total, so that's, yeah, just amazing. I'm really excited to do some more episodes. I've also got a schedule, hopefully, for basically from now till the end of the year. So every week I'll be doing an Unmatched Air Traffic Control episode and an Infinite Flight episode. Infinite Flight might be Infinite Flight Fails video, or might be a checking out an aircraft. Might be 747 or A380 or something like that. I might put in another game I like that's like related to aviation. We'll see how I go there. But next week probably won't be a video. I'll do a video this weekend to make up for it, even though I normally would. So yeah, that's just how it goes. I've only got 2 spare afternoons next week and I'm gonna be so tired, so I really can't be bothered next week. Well, I don't know if I can be bothered next week, but I'll probably be just too tired. That's all for now, I think. One more thing. For aviation news videos, if you guys have any idea how any reliable source for news and a place I can get photos for the background that's not got a problem with copyright, please let me know down below, and hopefully I'll be able to do that. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye for now.